Hello everybody, so this is Monica Gary with another smoothie. So y'all know my smoothies, I love spinach. So it's gonna be another smoothie, spinach, strawberries, frozen blueberries, banana, ginger, and lemon. So let's get to this quick and easy smoothie. Of course, I'm using a NutriBullet. Let's peel it. We're gonna put our spinach in first. Always put your greens. If you like kale, put whatever you want to put in there. And then let's do a banana. Now I'm going to do this banana right quick. I'm break it up. It's a medium-sized banana, not real big. Let's put that in there. Let's get our strawberries and frozen blueberries in it. Alright, got that. Now let's do lemon and ginger. Now I like to put a little water in my smoothie. So I have my water. Let's go. Put a little in here. Alright, so I have my top. Make sure you put your top on. And it's time to blend into the smoothie. See all those squeeze. So here we go with another simple, easy smoothie that you can do. Remember I said, keep taking steps where you want to be. Get your smoothie in, fruits, vegetables. Make sure you just get it in and enjoy. Talk to y'all later.